Hello friends, this is round 11 of Poinsettia and berries. So to begin the round, we slip a stitch on the next 2 chains. One, 2, and single crochet into the next space. Then turn the work chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a berry stitch on the 3rd chain of the next chain 5. So here's how to make the berry stitch, which is making the triple crochet 4 together. So here's how to do it. So you just yarn over like you're going to make a triple crochet. So yarn over twice and insert hook on the 3rd chain of the next chain 5 and pull up a loop and yarn over and draw up, yarn over through 2 loops on hook twice, and then repeat, yarn over twice, insert hook on the same space where I put the first triple crochet tog together, then pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull up the yarn over through 2 loops on hook and repeat 2 more times. So yarn over twice, make an incomplete triple crochet, then another incomplete triple crochet, and this time draw up a loop and pull up through all the loops on hook, and the puff stitch is made, which I call the berry stitch, which I see it as the motif for the berry in this poinsettia and berries motif. So the reason for turning the work on the wrong side is because on this cluster stitch, it tends to puff on the wrong side, so that when you turn it on the right side, it's really puffy. The puffiness shows up on the right side. So that's the reason for turning the work wrong side out for making the berry stitches. But we will continue to work on the wrong side from this round up to round 13, which is the end of this motif. So continue. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and double crochet on the next 5 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2 double crochets on the next chain 2 space. That's 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 double crochets on the same space. That's 1, 2. Then double crochet on the next 5 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So another leaf motif is made, which is made up of 7 double crochet on each side of the chain 2. So then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. Then this is the beginning of the repeating stitches with chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, and we will mark the chain 5 as the beginning of the repeating stitches. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will make another berry on the next chain 5, on the third chain of the next chain 5. So yarn over twice and insert hook on the third chain of the next chain 5 and make an incomplete triple crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, then draw up a loop and draw up this loop, yarn over and draw up through all loops on hook. So another berry is made. Then we continue to complete these repeating stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip the next 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and double crochet on each of the next 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2 double crochets on the next chain 2 space, chain 2, 2 double crochets on the same space, then double crochets on the next 5 double crochets, so we already made 3, 4, 5, there should be a total of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So another leaf motif is made. So after the leaf motif, we chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, and this is the end. The single crochet is the end of the repeating stitches, so we will repeat from the chain 5 just before the chain 3. We will repeat from here to the single crochet following the leaf motif. So repeat from this chain 5 to single crochet all around. After the last chain 5 of the round, which is after the leaf motif, then slip stitch into the beginning single crochet. So that's the end of round 11. This is all for now, my friends, and thank you all for watching. And please subscribe, and I'll see you soon.